Welcome back to Next Gen Mansions, the channel where we explore the world's most extraordinary homes. Today, we're touring a $25 million California mega mansion with insane views and a lifestyle that defines true luxury. From its grand entrance to its private spa, this estate is designed to impress at every step. Let's begin this unforgettable tour. Through towering glass doors, the grand hall greets you with marble floors, sky-high ceilings, and a dazzling chandelier that sets pure elegance. Seamlessly open, the dining and kitchen feature a massive stone island, sleek cabinetry, and a 12-seat table framed by floor-to-ceiling windows. Beyond the kitchen, the living area shines with oversized sofas, a sleek fireplace, and sliding glass walls that merge luxury interiors with outdoor views. From the living area, step into the master suite, a serene escape with a king bed, cozy lounge, and glass walls framing breathtaking California hills. Linked to the suite, the spa bathroom offers a freestanding tub, rainfall shower, marble vanities, and ambient lighting for ultimate relaxation. Step outside onto the balcony, where sleek glass railings and plush seating provide sweeping views of California sunsets and star-filled skies. Down below, the garage feels like a luxury showroom, with polished floors, designer lighting, and room to display a full fleet of exotic supercars. Outdoors, the Infinity Edge pool stretches toward the horizon, surrounded by palms, fire features, and lounge beds for a true resort-style retreat. The corridor links each wing of the home with polished floors, subtle lighting, and sleek artwork, transforming walkways into a modern gallery space. The library closes the tour with floor-to-ceiling bookshelves, leather seating, and a warm, quiet atmosphere designed for reflection and luxury living.
Step into the wine cellar, where walls are lined with floor-to-ceiling racks filled with glowing bottles, each carefully displayed in temperature-controlled glass cases. Golden ambient lights set a warm atmosphere, while at the center, an oak tasting table awaits, complete with wine glasses and charcuterie plates. The camera glides smoothly across the racks, then gently pans over the table, capturing every refined detail of this luxurious space.
Next, we step into the ultimate game and entertainment room, designed as the heart of fun inside this mansion. The space is vast, with soft ambient lighting highlighting a sleek billiards table at the center, arcade machines along the wall, and a cinematic home theater section with plush recliners facing a giant screen. Surround sound speakers, neon accents, and modern decor make this room feel like a private entertainment hub. The camera glides through each corner, capturing the buzz of games, the glow of screens, and the comfort of lounges, giving you the sense of endless entertainment and luxury all in one place. As we wrap up this breathtaking mansion tour, the journey doesn't stop here. On Next Gen Mansions, we've already explored some of the most spectacular estates, from sleek modern marvels to coastal retreats with ocean views that feel like a dream. And this is only the beginning. We have even more exclusive tours lined up, giving you a closer look inside the world's finest homes, each one more unforgettable than the last. If today's walkthrough impressed you, take a moment to check out our other mansion videos already available on the channel. Each tour showcases incredible architecture, luxurious interiors, and lifestyles most can only imagine. Whether it's a serene hillside retreat, a futuristic glass estate, or a resort-style mega mansion, every video offers something extraordinary. And don't forget, the most exciting tours are still ahead. By subscribing and turning on notifications, you'll never miss the chance to step inside some of the most jaw-dropping homes on the planet. So if you love discovering luxury living at its finest, join us, be part of the Next Gen Mansions community, and experience this journey with us. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next mansion tour.